Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, October the 6th, 2020, and our I Can says, I can multiply using quick Pics. I know some of you are thinking, I cannot multiply. This is going to be impossible. I am going to show you a way that you can multiply by drawing pictures. You will need your place value chart and a dry erase marker handy, so make sure you have those with you too. All right. Here's an example of a fairly easy, but it's going to look really hard at first, multiplication problem. 32 times 6. And I know lots of you are thinking, I have no idea how to do this. Well, guys, we're going to use quick Pics, and you're going to be able to solve this. So let me ask you this. Would you like to draw 32 circles or 6 circles? I would like to draw 6 circles. So I'm going to draw 6 circles, pretty large. I'm going to put 3 on my top row, and I'm going to put 3 on my next row. And now I've shown 6 groups, so I'm making 6 groups of 32, right? 6 groups of 32. So I need to put 32 in each one of these, and I'm going to do them the same way we've done them before with our quick Pics. 32. So I need 3 10s, 10, 20, 30, 2. 10, 20, 30, 2. 10, 20, 30, 2. 10, 20, 30, 2. 10, 20, 30, 2. 10, 20, 30, 2. All right, so here are my 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in each circle, I've shown 32. So now all I need to do is I need to count them. So I'm going to count them right here. Count them. Here we go. I'm going to need to count how many 10s we have. I'm going to skip a line, and then I'm going to need to count, I'm not going to skip a line, how many 1s we have. So let's just count my 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I have 18 10s. Let's think about it like money. If you have 18 10s, how much money do you have? Okay, some of you can think about it like that. Some of you cannot. Well, look, if I'm really confused, I'm going to go back to my place value chart. So here's my handy dandy place value chart. And I'm going to put my 18 in the 10s place, because I have 18 10s. Now we know that I cannot put 2 digits in the same place. So which digit can stay? The 8 can stay. The 1 has to go next door. So now, how much is 18 10s worth? $180. Good job. So 18 10s, that equals 180. Well, now we need to count how many 1s we had. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I had 12 1s. Well, if you have 12 $1 bills, how much is that worth? Again, I could use my place value chart. 12 1s. Am I allowed to have 12 in the 1s place? No. The 2 can stay. My 1 has to go next door, and it just equals 12. I line up. Remember, at the end of my number come my decimal points, and I line them up on the right-hand side. What's 0 plus 2? 2. 8 plus 1? 9. 192. So what is 32 times 6? 192. And that's our answer. It wasn't so bad, was it? Now you have choices, because we have to check this. We wouldn't want to just say it's 192, and that's my final answer without checking it. Nope, we're trying to be accurate and precise. So let's use repeated addition to check. We're going to always check our work. Repeated addition. This is how I'm going to check. If you have a different strategy that works for you, you're welcome to pick your strategy. I prefer repeated addition at this point. Instead of using my quick picks, I'm going to stack my numbers. 32 plus 32 plus 32 plus 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to add them up. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Am I allowed to write 12 down here? No, that should look very wrong. So I erase my 1 and I carry it next door. So now I'm going to count. Now you could skip count for some of my friends who know it. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 19. Let me show you a trick if you don't know it though. They're called using touch points. The number is 3, so I could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And 192 matches, so we know that we got it right. Not so bad. All right, I'm going to flip to the back side because I am almost out of room. So I'm on the back of the same sheet of paper. Remember, we're trying to save paper in our notebook by using every sheet. Here's number 2. We're going to make it even bigger, and I'm just going to show you that you don't have to be scared of multiplication. We're going to spend lots of time multiplying for the next few weeks. This is number 2 right here. My number is 143 times 4. And first I'm going to solve using quick picks. So would you rather write 4 circles or 143 circles? I would rather write 4 circles. So here they are. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you see how I try to keep my work neat so I still have room to work around it, but I can see my work. So now I have my 4 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one of my factors. My other factor is 143. I would show that with 1 flat, 4 tens rods, and 3 little ones. 143. So I'm going to do that in each of my boxes. Again, if I'm moving too quickly, go ahead and press pause. 143. $143. 143. Now, all I need to do is count them. All right, so I'm going to need to count how many hundreds, how many tens, and how many ones. And then we'll figure out what their value is over here and add them up. So let's count them. How many hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 hundreds. Well, how much is 4 hundreds worth? 400. That was an easy one. Let's see how many tens I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I have 16 tens. Think of it as 16 $10 bills. 16 $10 bills. If I can't think about it like that, remember you can use your place value chart. I'm going to put 16 in the tens place. Which digit can stay? Yep, the single digit in the ones place can stay. So we have 6, and then the second digit has to move to the larger place value. I have 160. So this equals 160. Let's count how many ones we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 ones. 12 $1 bills is just like having how many dollars? If you said $12, you're exactly right. And I'm going to add these together. 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. 6 plus 1 is 7. 4 plus 1 is 5. So 143 times 4 equals 572. We think this is our answer, but what do we have to do? Yes, we have to check our answer. We're never going to just guess. So you could pick any strategy that you want. I'm going to pick repeated addition because to me that's the next fastest. So repeated addition. And if you want to just put RA, that's fine too. Now I'm going to show an example using repeated addition. I'm going to write 143, and I'm going to write it 4 times, making sure I stack them on top of each other so my work is neat. And now again, I could skip count if I'm good at skip counting. 3, 6, 9, 12. But if you're not good at skip counting, we can use those touch points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is that answer. Can I leave 12 down here? Nope. I gotta get rid of the 1 and carry it next door. Now I'm skip counting by 4s. Or some of you even know what 4 times 4 is. It's 16. Plus 1 more is 17. Can I put 17 down here? No, I have to carry the 1 next door. So I carry the 1 and now I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 572 matches 572, and we know that we got this one right. All right, work hard today. Please make sure to check your work using a second strategy. Take your time. Everybody can do this. Have a good day.